Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your sound is not working on your PlayStation VR 2 headset. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if your sound is not working on your PlayStation VR 2 headset, go ahead and press the PlayStation button and then go on over to sound. Now I have mine muted, so I'm going to turn off muting and go up to the top where it says output device. Now, currently, I have my headset plugged in with a USB dongle to the front of my PlayStation 5, and it never switched over to my PlayStation VR 2 headset. So you can wear a headset with your PlayStation VR 2, but go ahead and select the right output so you can get the audio. So I'm going to switch mine over to my headphones on the top. Now I have an option to increase or decrease the volume for my headphones. Now that it's switched over to my headphones, let's back out. And then go on over to mic and do the same thing under here. So you can mute your microphone or adjust the microphone level here and just make sure this is in the good section and it's not way too loud or too soft. So if your sound is not working, make sure you have the correct output device selected. This video did indeed help you out. Go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.